I'm Rob Evans with Bob Evans Classics. Today we have a warehouse walk. I got Mustangs, I got Chevelles, I got Impalas, got a lot of nice cars, couple Mopar. We're going to go ahead and get started, guys, but do me a favor, hit the subscribe button if you want to see all of our classic cars for sale. Plus, you can go and watch me go out and chase the classic cars. Appreciate you checking out our page, guys. Let's go ahead and get started. 1968 Ford Mustang convertible. This has got a 302 under the hood, paired with a T5 Tremec manual transmission. This is sitting on nice American racing wheels. Extremely clean, guys. This one looks good. Got a real nice Acapulco blue. Got this one listed on our website for $39,995. That's what buys this car. Moving on, we have this 1970 Chevelle. This has got an LS1 under the hood. So it's fuel injected, resto mod, bucket seats. So LS1 fuel injected. Got this one listed for $42,500. Moving on, 66 Mustang coupe. This one has, I believe it's a 289 under the hood. Well, 302. Power brakes, no power steering. Got this one listed on our website for $25,000. It's got a nice vinyl top, but it's clean. It's a good driver. It's got these nice wheels on it. Sit good. Okay, moving on. 82 Camaro. This is a one-owner car. It's got 48,000 original miles on it, all documented. It's really clean inside, nothing wrong with it. Look at this interior. This one I have listed for $11,000. Nice, clean one-owner car. Moving on, the Impala is actually sold. 64 Impala. We sold this for $35,000. This is an SS. Nice combination. This one is headed to Daniel out in Arizona. Okay. We do have this Chevy pickup truck. This is a completely restored truck. Got a couple little scratches on it. Besides the scratches, this thing is really remote condition. And we have this one for $25,000. Moving on, we have this Duster. This is a 71 H code 340 automatic transmission, $45,000, completely restored, blueprinted engine, in good shape. I got this L78 Nova. This has got 396, 375 horsepower, 4-speed bucket seats, everything you would want in an L78 Nova. Not many of these made. Got this one listed for $55,000. This is sold. Moving on. This BMW is new. This is an E30. I got this one listed for $12,500. It's got nice wheels on it. Interior's in pretty good shape. Not a bad looking car. Couple minor flaws, paint imperfections, but overall it's a clean car. It drives good. It looks good. $12,500 on our website. Then we got this Oldsmobile 442 clone. It's just an Oldsmobile Cutlass, not a 442, but it's got a 455 under the hood. Got this one on consignment. The customer's looking for 40 grand. So 40 grand buys this, or best offer. We put an offer together. We'll reach out to the seller, see if we can do a deal. Don't do a lot of consignment, but this one's on consignment. Okay. Then we have this Monte Carlo, one owner with 33,000 real deal miles. In good shape. It's got 33,000 original miles, but original miles, one owner, all documented. So we have all the documentation on this. We have the original bill of sale, original window sticker. The guy worked at GM. We even have the bill of landing from the dealership, or from the factory. We have every single thing. 25,000 buys this. That is a special. We have it listed on our website for 30,000. 25 buys it. And then the Shelby. Shelby's all built up. Guys, I had this one listed for 50 grand, lowered it to 45,000, and that's the bottom on it. 45 grand. You can't build this car for less than that. I got about $30,000 just in the drivetrain, and we do have documentation of it. It's got a 347 stroker, T5 transmission. It's loud, it's fast. I don't know if it'll fire it up. It may be dead, but let's see if we can fire it up. And this car is all there. Almost. I drove this car all summer, and it drives fantastic. Nothing wrong with it. Ready for a new owner. 45 grand buys it. It's a unique color. It looks good. Got a Caddy over here, convertible. Got that one listed for 20 grand on our website. 20 grand our best offer. And it's clean. One owner. Guy owned it since new. From Philadelphia. South Philly, actually. Moving on, those two are sold over there. We do have this Camaro, 67, 350 built up, 45,000 on this. And it's overall just a real clean unit, ready to go. Looking for a new owner. And then finally, the BMW 1 Series 135i for 15,000. Runs and drives excellent, guys. If you like our page, please give us a subscribe. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, where you'll see a bunch of classic cars for sale. We also have another lot that we get cars in. We don't do a whole lot of these lot walks because we don't get in a ton of inventory. Our inventory is scarce. As we get it in, we sell 90% of our cars on our wait list. They sell very quickly, guys, and we only have maybe 15, 20 cars that we keep in the warehouse at all times. We usually buy 5 a week, and 4 out of those 5 are sold. So stay tuned, guys. Appreciate you checking out our page. God bless the USA.